So in this video we will be discussing the important diagrams of the chapter biological classification. Okay, this is the chapter 2 of class 11 biology. Now the first diagram, it is figure 2.1. These are the bacteria of different shape. Classification of bacteria depending on their shapes. This is the important diagram because this can be asked. This diagram will be given in the question paper and will be asked what is the shape. Now these are the spherical shaped coccus, these are the rod shaped bacillus, these are the spiral shaped spirula, and this is the comma shaped vibrio. Along with these shapes, you have also remembered the examples. For example, lactobacillus have rod shaped, and vibrio cholerae, which is the cause of cholera, is the vibrio, comma shaped vibrio. These four are the important diagrams. Okay. Now the second, that is figure 2.2. This is afilamentous blue-green algae nostoc. Blue-green algae, that is nostoc and Anabaena. The first important thing about the blue-green algae is that if you see there is a term algae here, but these are not actually algae. These are the class of the bacteria, that is true bacteria. First one. The second point about the diagram is that this is the heterocyst. The heterocyst, these are the important. This structure is known as heterocyst. This structure and this structure, these two are the heterocyst. These are the nitrogen fixing organs in the blue-green algae. This is one another important point. Another one is the mucilaginous sheet. Due to this mucilaginous sheet, the blue-green algae appears slimy and make colony. Okay. There are also some important points about the blue-green algae. These are blue-green algae. First of all, blue-green algae are not algae, they are bacteria. Okay. The second one is the sexual reproduction. The sexual reproduction is absent in blue-green algae. Okay. There is no motile phase in the whole life cycle of the blue-green algae. Now, the another important point about the blue-green algae is the Gaidukov phenomenon. Gaidukov, Gaidukov phenomenon. This Gaidukov phenomenon is specially shown by the blue-green algae, that is also known as cyanobacteria. Okay, this is another important point, Gaidukov phenomenon. These are some important point about the blue-green algae. Now, this diagram, that is figure 2.4. Here this can be asked in question. This diagram will be given in the question paper and have to identify. This is the rhinoflagellates, this is the euglena, this is the slime mold, and this is the paramecium. Simple. There are some important points about the slime mold. These are slime mold have a naked cytoplasm. Then the slime mold from plasmodium in the suitable condition. Okay, plasmodium formed plasmodium in suitable condition, and in the adverse condition, the plasmodium get dispersed and they form spore which have through cell wall, and the spore are dispersed through air. These are the important about the slime mold. Okay, the spores have through cell wall. Remember. Now here also these are the not so important, but you have to have a look because this diagram can be given in question paper and have to identify. This is the aspergillus, this is the mucor, and this is the agaricus. So you have to identify. Okay. Now these two are the very important diagram because see, this is the TMV, that is tobacco mosaic virus, and this is the bacteriophage. The very important point about the TMV is that this structure, this is the RNA, and if you look closely, then you see that this is actually coiled RNA. Okay, that means the tobacco mosaic virus TMV has coiled RNA, and these small structure are known as capsid. Okay, this small structure is known as capsid, and the TMV has coiled RNA. This is the important point about TMV. And in bacteriophage, whole structure is important. You have to remember, this is the head, this is the cooler, then this is the seat, and these are the tail fibers. You have to remember the whole diagram because if you have to remember the whole diagram because in the question paper you have to identify. It can be given A, B, C, and D. If the right paper is A, B, C, and D. So remember this diagram. Okay. So thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and keep patience for more such type of videos.